Hello traders, today we will learn about trading mindset. Okay, here we are in a tournament. Okay, it's okay. Today I will show you if we win continuously how we will react, if we lose continuously how we will react, and which situation you need to wait, which situation you need to continue the trades. Okay, here let me take the trades for the first for the continuous winning. Here I have a trade which with the selling only. Why? Because here if you notice there is a level in the left side. Every time you have a selling rejections from that area, and most of the time the sellers are interested, so easily you could expect sellers here. So I have gone with sellers. Okay, in this video you will try to learn what if you get continuous losses. Not only losses, if the account, how it will get zero in the real account. Okay, try to imagine that you are trading in a real account when you are trading in the individually. While you are trading, you are in the market. Okay, I will show you few situations which will make you the reality. Okay, here I have two opportunities. One, sometimes we may think after momentum one candle we can expect one retracement again with buyers, but here one more thing, it is a strong area, you can expect one more retracement. So regarding that I have gone with sellers here. Okay, and one more thing, in this video you will try to watch up to end. Why? Because in the last I will show you, if I get situations I will explain you detailed where should you wait, where should you continue, and how you will make and end up with losses in the trading. Okay, so try to watch up to the end, you will understand the video clearly. Here if you observe one thing, market is trying to make an uptrend, and now I got a buying candle at last. So easily again what do you expect, the candle has a strength, so easily I will continue with the buyers again. Okay, first of all we will take trades with the valid areas, with the valid points. If really I get a opportunity to show you the mindset, I will definitely show you. Okay, here easily you can go with buyers. Why? Because you have known the reasons well. Market wants to go up and it's overall a uptrend, so easily you can expect a buying candle here. So that's the reason only I have gone with buyers. In this video don't expect clear accuracy. In this video you only expect how you should overcome the mistakes regarding in the trading. What do you if you lost continuously 3 trades? How, whether the account will blow or not, you should check these all points. Here I have a level, so I will try to avoid this pair. I will try to change the pair. Okay, because we need valid trades, right? No 50-50, only sure shots. Okay, let me check this pair. Yeah, here I can go with sellers now. Okay, let me go with sellers. Why? Do you have any reason? Let me draw a trend line for you. Here if you check, there is a trend line. Every time the area, from that area you are expecting strong sellers. Can't you expect sellers here? Yes, you can expect in these kind of areas. So you can go here with selling candle. Because most of the people are messaging me regarding that they have knowledge but still they are in losses. Still they are trying to make wins, but at the end of the day they are making losses. So what is the reason? So in this video you will get clarity about regarding that particular topic. So try to check the points clearly. Here what is the next candle? Here I will go with sellers again. Why? First of all, overall trend is downtrend, and one more thing, the area and that particular previous candle is not look like a weak candle, so it's a strong candle, so easily you can continue with the selling only. Okay, from the next candle onwards I will try to show the actual second point, which is a mindset, trading mindset. I will show you different kinds of trades, whether you are relatable or not. If you are relatable, try to change the mistakes. If you are not, try to keep it maintained, because it makes profits. Okay, Here both kinds of situations I will show you. So try to check the video. You will understand the points. Okay. Here finally the sellers have been entered. Okay. Now I can show you the points. Here we will try to change the pair. Maybe here I didn't get opportunity. So here, yeah, I got nice opportunity. Here I will go with sellers, but the actual candle will be buyers. This kind of things, why most of the people think here there will be a sellers. First of all, this candle will be a buying candle only, but I didn't get any entry points, so that's why only I have taken a reversal trade. Most of the people use these kind of things. Even I will include myself also. Sometimes I may use this kind of trick, but it won't work every time. So you should check these points. You should understand it is a 50-50 chance. Whether the candle is a weak candle, yeah, you could win easily. But if the candle is really strong, you could end up with loss. So you should understand this point. So here if you check, I got a loss. I have invested $15, but I got $10 win, $5 loss. But at the end of the day, I got loss. See, after that, I have gone with buyers with $30 this time, because previous I want to recover the loss. So I have made a compounding trade. Compare these trades regarding your mindset. Whenever you get a loss, how you will behave, whether you will compound or you will wait or you will continue the trades. Okay, regarding that only I am doing, because most of the people will make these kind of mistakes. So try to check. See, here I have taken a $30 trade. Suppose here I have got a $30 trade, but the candle is going reverse. First of all, why you have gone with buyers? Because overall it's a uptrend. The trend line is respecting. We got previous candle is a strong candle, but all of a sudden we got a selling. Okay, here we got loss. Okay, we are convinced here we got a loss. Maybe it could be a retracement and the market has been closed exact at the level. So again you will make a compound with higher amount. This time you have made a $70, which means $70 you have taken trade. So already you got two losses, and this is the final trade. You have invested all with the mindset, I should recover the total amount. Okay, now what will happen, we have to see. Okay, actually this is a tournament account. Don't try in the real account. I want to show you few examples regarding this. So that's why I have taken this particular tournament account. Okay, try to watch and check whether you are in this category or not. Okay, see, you have gone with buyers. Why? Overall it's uptrend. The candle has a weakness and it's uptrend. The trend line has been rejected. Yeah, you can go with buyers. So you have taken a trade. But here what you got? You got a selling candle. So here you got total $100 loss. See. Okay, let me recover this. See how continuously 3 losses. Okay, now I have to recover this. 1 second. Let me take one trade. Okay, I won't take full amount. Let me make it half. Okay, I will take 75. Okay, here I will show you a valid reason. Now I can go with sellers here. Okay, here I got continuously 3 losses. Okay, in the end I will show you why we got losses, whether we should continue or not. Okay, here I am going with sellers. Okay, first of all, the market has been reversed in the middle. Okay, and why I have gone now sellers means the second candle, it doesn't look even like a retracement. It shows there is a seller strong entry. So easily you should go with sellers only, because maybe the sellers need a major level to make a U-turn. Otherwise it won't make. Okay, so easily you can expect a selling candle here. Okay, now what is the next candle? Yes, again you can go with selling. Okay, I will continue with the same amount. Okay, okay, let me adjust my trend line for your clarity. Here I have a level. Okay, still, okay, let me adjust clearly. Still there is a gap. Yeah, let me adjust something. Yes, still there is a gap. Yeah, easily you can go with sellers again. Okay, here if you notice one thing, this candle will be a selling candle only. But what did I made a mistake? First of all, if you notice one thing, I have made a late entry. Okay, why I am mentioning this point means, when you are trading in a higher amount, when you are placing in a higher amount, you should maintain minimum clarity about the trade. whether the area is a weakness or strong. Here the level is so close, so it could make a retracement, not a strong candle at all. So you should understand this point. Okay, here also you should understand. See, at last it got lost. If it is formed in the real account, means how you will do? You will get losses only, right? So you should understand this point. Okay, and now I am going with buyers. Why? First of all, if you check the trend line, the candle has exactly opened at the buying area, where every time the buyers are interested, where the buyers have entered. So this is a recovery trade, leave that. But previous trade, if you notice, those kind of mistakes you should not do. Whenever you are in an emotion, whenever you want to recover the amount, you should not take chance of any late entries. If it is a $2 or $5, it is okay. You can recover easily. But when it comes to higher amount, you should think better. Otherwise, you will end up with losses. So try to change those things first of all. Okay. See, here I got win. See, even it is a weak candle, my entry point makes a perfection trade. I can win easily. So after you are recovering, try to change the amount to the normal, how much amount you are getting to trade. Okay, I will trade with $5. Why? You should not have greedy instantly. If you maintain this, maybe you could lose on the next trade. You will again lose total amount. See how the trades are. Continuously 3 loss. Again I have made a clarity trade. Again loss because of my late entry. Again I have made a perfect entry. This time I got recovered all. So these kind of situations will happen. When you don't have discipline, you may get continuously 10 losses also. Not only 3. In the previous, continuously 3 means one is late entry. Second one is instant reversal. Third one is breakout and the candle entered too strong. On the fourth one, we got clear-cut clarity regarding those trades and we have recovered from that area. So you should get instant alert. Okay. When you try to go on the emotions, the account will get 0 instantly. So you should avoid these kind of mistakes in the trading. That's what my reason is to show you here. See, here again I can go with buyers. Why? You know the clarity reason. It is coming from buyers area and the second candle is too strong and there is a gap for the next level. So easily you can go with buyers. And one more thing here, when you are getting loss, means you should wait and think why all of a sudden the market has been reversed. Without knowing knowledge, don't trade. Here you have faced the same situation previously. Even you have a strong candle, still the sellers have entered, means you should think why all of a sudden sellers, whether there is any level or not. When you take compounds, means the account will blow easily. You should understand this point. Okay. Here, okay. Now again I will go with buyers. Why? There is no weakness at all in the buying. So easily I will continue with the buying only. So here my intention is clear. Try to check the trades. If you are in loss, try to wait or try to understand the situation. Okay, I am waiting for one more situation to show you and I will explain clearly why you should wait, why you shouldn't wait. Okay, where you can recover, where you can't recover. With full clarity, I will explain you in the last. I am waiting for the situation. If I get that situation, I can explain you each and every point clearly with valid points. Because knowledge is not enough in the trading. We need perfect mindset and discipline. Okay, discipline is different, mindset is different. See here, continuously we got 3 losses. Again we got late entries. See here also again late entry. Because okay, now what is the next trade? Yeah, I will continue with the buyers because why I am going in uptrend. So I will take the buying trade instantly. Okay, here total there is uptrend, so easily I could, if market even candle make a new high too, so all the favor is for buying candle. Okay, I'm going with buyers with compounding. Why? Because previous I got loss, so that's why I have made a compound trade. Okay, maybe think even you will trade like this or not. Okay, I need comments in these answers. Okay, how many are relatable to this kind of mistakes? I need in the comments, because I could understand how my students are working on the markets. So maybe you can show me in this way in comments. See, here I got loss. Okay. What is the next candle? Yeah, again I will go with buyers. Why? Because momentum, uptrend. So easily I could go with buyers here. So I will make full compound. Again, I will make $30 spread to make a compounding. This is only to show you purpose only. I'm taking compounding. I won't prefer compound. Okay. So because when you are trading individual, so I'm trying to explain the situations, how people are working. Okay. See, I have continuously gone with buyers only. Why? Because already we have strong, so that's why. But still the sellers are interested. Why? Do you have any idea? Here the sellers are entering finally. Why? Okay, I will trade the next candle and I will explain you clearly now onwards. Okay. Okay, now I will make again full compound and I will go with buyers. Okay. First of all, I will explain you a situation clearly. Here total market is going in a uptrend. Even you can analyze that clearly. And coming to the previous two candles, one, we are in a momentum of the buyers, but all of the sudden last buying candle which shows you the weakness. So regarding that kind of situation, you should take a wait. You should wait over that case. And second thing, total the market is an uptrend. Yeah, you can go with buyers, but I have mentioned a point in many videos. In between you may get one or two retracements. Okay, so you should wait for minimum one candle. Yeah, you have got a retracement. Again, there is 50-50 chances. You don't know whether it will be sellers or buyers. So you should wait one more. And second candle, how you will get confirmed means the candle shows a weakness. Then you should go with buyers with confidence. Have you got clear? I will show you the lines clearly here. I will drawing a vertical levels here. Okay, if possible, I will clear all the levels and I will explain you those two scenarios. Where should you can continue? Where should you can wait? Here I have two scenarios. Let me clear all. I will draw freshly. Here we have a fresh levels I have drawn. Here I have highlighted these levels. Okay. Here I have a one level. In these two areas only we have lost continuously 3 trades. Okay. In the first situation, if you notice, there is a strong buying candle from the buyer's area. Still you get sellers means you should wait. Why? Because all of a sudden where the sellers come from, you should check the levels. And if you notice the second candle, it is stronger than the first one. You should think, oh, now the sellers are interested. Maybe they need a strong level to reverse. So finally the market came to the strong level, which is a trend line area. Later that it has making U-turn after getting a weakness. Try to check that too. In the second scenario, already the market has showed a weakness of the both buying and selling. On the second candle also, you got a weak selling candle, not a strong candle. Remember that. On the next candle, you can go with buyers. Remember that. In the first scenario, you can't even go with a buying candle because the sellers are getting increasing the power, not the weakness. In the second scenario, the sellers are getting weak. You should understand this point. Okay. So these kind of mistakes, try to, in the first scenario, you need to wait. In the second scenario, you can recover your losses also. I have showed you in the live examples. Okay. So try to check whenever you are trading. See, now I have taken a trade. It is a buying candle, but late entry, but it is a $5. It's okay. But previous I have taken $75. So there is a difference. So try to check these kind of points. Okay, guys, have a nice day. I think you got a clarity about this kind of points. Okay, take care. Have a nice day.